B-axis is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the use of a rotary table with a tilting spindle. This allows for the machining of complex parts with multiple angles and contours. The B-axis can rotate the workpiece to any angle, while the spindle can tilt up to 180 degrees. This service is commonly used in the aerospace, automotive, and medical industries, where precision and accuracy are crucial. The B-axis service is ideal for manufacturing parts with complex geometries, such as turbine blades, impellers, and medical implants. It allows for the creation of intricate shapes and contours that would be difficult or impossible to achieve with traditional machining methods. The B-axis service also reduces the number of setups required, which saves time and increases efficiency. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in precision machining and fabrication. The company offers a wide range of services, including B-axis machining. With over 50 years of experience in the industry, Berkness Company has the expertise and equipment necessary to provide high-quality B-axis machining services to its customers. If you are interested in learning more about B-axis machining or any of the other services offered by Berkness Company, you can visit the Contact Us page on their website. The company's team of experts is always available to answer any questions you may have and provide you with the information you need to make informed decisions about your manufacturing needs. Whether you are looking for a one-time project or a long-term partnership, Berkness Company has the skills and resources to meet your needs. Contact them today to learn more. FAQs. 1. What is a B-axis in manufacturing? A B-axis is a rotational axis in a CNC machine that allows the cutting tool to move in a circular motion around the workpiece. It is typically used in 5-axis machining to enable the machine to access difficult-to-reach areas of the workpiece and perform complex cuts. 2. What are the benefits of using a B-axis in manufacturing? Using a B-axis in manufacturing offers several benefits, including increased precision and accuracy, improved surface finish, and reduced setup time. It also allows for more complex machining operations, such as simultaneous 5-axis machining, which can result in faster cycle times and lower costs. 3. What types of CNC machines use a B-axis? A B-axis is commonly found in 5-axis CNC machines, including milling machines, lathes, and machining centers. It is also used in some specialized machines, such as gear hobbing machines and laser cutting machines, to enable more precise and efficient cutting operations. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.